Hi, my name's Nigel. I'm a commercial drone pilot. I have a licence issued by the Civil Aviation Authority that allows me to fly a drone for commercial purposes. The advancements in drone technology is revolutionising the survey industry. Drones have evolved to become an indispensable method of capturing information. Drones enable capture large amounts of information in complex situations. They reduce the health and safety risk of covering the survey area, and here are just a few examples. The preparation of a condition survey of a particular tall, large or intricate building. Tall structures with no rooftop access where scaling a great height is not possible. Large industrial units with no way of reaching the centre. And properties with limited access due to proximity to neighbours or bodies of water or access via unstable ground. Drones offer a fast, cost-effective alternative to cherry pickers, climbers, steeplejacks and scaffolding. Images and video that drones capture are in high resolution, with a live feed to the ground so that the surveyor can direct the camera to specific sections of a wall or roof for a closer look, thus bringing down the time and cost of condition surveys. Drones enhance a surveyor's report, saving time and money. Drones are regulated by the Civil Aviation Authority and they're piloted from the ground by a highly experienced and civil aviation approved operator who carries out a risk assessment and has all the relevant insurances. Drones can quickly scale walls, fly over roofs or survey large sites or complexes with no disruption to the occupants within. Drones can be used to look at the condition of a building, to look at the state of decay in the dilapidated building, or to closely inspect the roof.